How to update bio in Sololearn. Want to personalize your Sololearn profile? Updating your bio is simple. First, open Sololearn and tap on your profile icon in the top of the screen. Here you can see the edit profile option or the pencil icon near your bio section. Type your new bio. Tell people about your coding interest or goals. Once you're happy with it, tap save or the check mark to update your profile. Your new bio will show up when others visit your profile. Keep your bio clear and concise so others can quickly learn about you. What's your current bio in Sololearn? Let us know in the comments below. And that's how you can update bio in Sololearn. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.